Welcome. If you want to enter split screen in your WIEPPO S5, for the first you have to open apps that you are going to use. So I'm going for the Google Chrome. And also I think that I'm going to open YouTube. After that you have to tap right here to open the background apps. And let's take the Google Chrome, so click, hold and drag it right here and just simply tap on the second application. And as you can see, right now we are able to work on the two apps at the same time. And if you want to close it, you can just simply swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.